If any person wish to serve his or her country and country people, are not he or she firstly the honor of that country's sovereignty and country's constitution? Dear most respected all of my mentors, honorable global leaders, brothers and sisters, and my fellow citizens of Bangladesh, Assalamu alaikum. I am Sujan. Today I speak you from my heart about a dream for our beloved motherland. A dream of a stronger, purer, and more truthful democracy. We have all seen elections. We have all heard promises. But how often do we see those promises turn into reality? How can we be sure that the person we vote for will truly serve us, the people? Excellencies, this question has troubled me for a long time, and so I have taken a step to try and change this. I have just sent a formal proposal to our Bangladesh Election Commission. In it, I have requested one simple but powerful change to add a 7 নম্বর সপ্তক সেবা, I mean in Bengali 7 নম্বর সপ্তক সেবা heading, a 7-point sacred commitment pledge to the nomination form of every candidate. What is this pledge? PLEDGE. What is this pledge? Let me explain it to you simply, Excellencies. First, it will bind the candidate to complete honesty about their wealth and qualifications. Second, a vow of true patriotism and loyalty to our constitution. Third, a promise of selfless services to every citizen without any discrimination. Fourth, a commitment to protect the rights and empowerment of the common people. Fifth, a pledge to work for transparent and corruption-free governance. Sixth, a dedication to the real development and progress of our area and our country. And the seventh, a sacred oath to follow the highest ethical conduct during and after the elections. My dear brothers and sisters, this pledge is not just words on paper, it's a mirror. It will show us the true character of the person asking for our vote. It will hold them accountable to us. This is not about any single party or politician. This is about the future of Bangladesh. This is about restoring, I repeat, this is about restoring your trust in the system that is meant to serve you. Inshallah, I repeat, this is about restoring your trust in the system that is meant to serve you. I need your support. I need your support. Talk about this idea in your homes, in your communities, in your office, in your localities, in every place where you gather, is in any time. Let the election commission know that you, the people, want this change. Let us demand a higher standard from those who wish to lead us. Together, inshallah, we can build a Bangladesh where leaders are true servants of the people. Joy Bangla. May our nation be blessed. Dear Excellencies, dear sisters and brothers, dear all of my fellow countrymen, based on true history, whatever it. Friends of Bangla, meaning Bangabandhu, and Awami অর্থ জনতা, আওয়ামী লীগ, আওয়ামী অর্থ জনতা, আওয়ামী স্বরে আ দিয়ে শুরু। Please listen to my voice. Try to understand for not only you, both your family member, both your brother, both your sister, both your neighbor, both your regional, both global, along with your next generation. If I am right, then raise your voice. Because it's not for me, it's for our motherland and my next generation, with mutual respect and benefit. Thank you so much. I have more requests, many more. Day by day I have to talk to about you. Thank you so much.